Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating sections where numbering will differ. In Word, insert a section break, next page at the boundary. This isolates numbering. Once done, double-click the header or footer to open it, and make sure Link to Previous is turned off so the new section won't inherit numbering. You're doing this now because independent sections let you apply separate numbering styles or restart counts. With the section isolated, the document is ready for inserting multiple page number fields in distinct formats. Now insert the actual page number fields where you want multiple numbers to appear. Place the cursor in the header/footer, then use Insert Field or Page Number Current Position to add page and num pages for document-wide counts. For section-level values, add section or section pages fields. These show section number or pages in section. Once inserted, use Format Page Numbers to pick Roman or Arabic and set Start At to restart numbering. You can combine fields with text like page of num pages, section. To finish, position and style the numbers. Use left, center, right tabs or a single-row table in the header/footer so multiple fields line up neatly. Once placed, update all fields by selecting the document and pressing F9. This refreshes counts after edits. If counts look wrong, inspect your section breaks and confirm Link to Previous is off where you intended new numbering. A common fix is deleting and reinserting the section break, then reapplying Start At to correct numbering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.